I wanted to do another video um, regarding giving you some help and some strategies to use. Um, and I'm referring here to YouTube content creators. And while I am no expert at this, these are some things that I found out that really help in pushing views and getting that CPM up and being, doing video for the right niche as you should. Now, on your, I think, what is it called? In your YouTube studio. In your YouTube studio, if you go to your extreme left and you choose content, just select content. Now, just a little bit over from the extreme left where you select content, at the top you're going to see, I think it's inspirational. Check on inspirational. And when you check that, you're going to see YouTube suggesting some videos to you. This is key. This is just ideas. YouTube is literally giving you information as to what type of video you should create to get yourself views, to get noticed by the algorithm, to get nice CPM. It's topic that's kind of relating to your video, but in a better way of putting these videos and the ideas of the titles. It's something that I found out just by going through it. Bear in mind, you may ask yourself the question, why is YouTube giving us that? And now, Claudia, what makes that work? Let me tell you, YouTube is a business. When we create contents for YouTube, we're not creating content because the channel is ours per se. You're literally working for YouTube. They want you to put out great videos so that they could get paid from these advertisers. So they're going to do everything in their best interest to make you successful. So they give you ideas. Some of these, and you can also go to trends and you see the videos that are doing well, that is pretty close to your niche or within your niche. You look at their views to see how well they're doing in trends. As for me, I don't look at anything unless it's 500,000 and over within the last 3 months. And you could replicate their videos, not so much the same argument. You could use the same title, but come at it at a different way, different argument. You could agree and disagree with their point at the same time. It requires you to do some work now. I wanted to mention this in my previous video about these YouTube strategies, but I did forget this part of it, and I felt like it was very important enough for me to come back and mention this to someone, because I tell you, I'm no expert, but I look and I wonder, I look to see what ideas YouTube is giving us, because it has to make sense. It has to make sense. Why are they giving us information that is not going to be relevant to us? There has to be a reason why these information are given to us. And yes, lo and behold, having checked it out, I looked at it. This is how I found out about this inspirational column that gives us the various titles and videos. And it doesn't come out with it comes out with about 3 video ideas telling us you could create videos based on this title, And how did I find out? I noticed that those inspirational videos were similar to the topic that's pretty close to my high CPM videos. I go, what? This is a message it's sending me. It's really telling me what I should really be talking about in my videos. And I did it. I did more. I think I did about 7 series of similar videos to those inspirational videos. And yes, one of the CPM worked out to be, I think one came out to be $28. Another one is $33, and another one $75 CPM. And they were in matter of days with 3 and 5 and 6 views only. You know, so don't take your analytical screen for lightly. Don't take it lightly. Whenever you see information given out to from YouTube on those screen, take notes. Take notes. Yeah, take notes. I thought that's important because this could cut your planning, your titles that you're planning during the week in somewhat shorter time, where you can get ideas from there. And that's where I get most of my ideas are from there. So I wanted to share that with you. And you know, who have I heard said this before? I know there are content creators who give some pretty good strategies, but I tell you what, I don't feel like they give everything. They don't share everything. They don't. Maybe it's just me, but I don't feel like they don't share everything. Another software that I use, and this is a plug. I'm not an affiliate, at least not as yet, but I'm gonna say this. vidIQ. I gladly pay a monthly subscription for that, because you know it picks up on things, but I feel like YouTube is a direct source. You know, I think it gives information that YouTube would have wanted us to know to create good videos. I think I pay, how much did I pay? Like $14 a month subscription for vidIQ. It's well worth it. It's well worth it. And this is if you're you're a serious content creator. You know, you want to spend a little to make your life easier. Yeah. So, you know, I was just getting ready to start my video, and I went to inspiration and I go to myself, oh, I have not told him about this. Let me get back and just do like a quick videos to let them know exactly what's going on with this. Really, it's good. So again, go to your analytical screen in your YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. I say that wrong. YouTube Studio, and click on content, and right there at the top bar you're going to see inspirational our inspiration. Click on the column and look at the videos that are being suggested there. Don't take that for granted at all. If there are any content creator that is viewing my channel or is a member of this channel, please let me know. What are some crazy CPMs have you seen on your videos? If you are monetized, and you know what, I keep forgetting that when I speak about monetization and all that, I have to, because there can be new viewers who is not aware of, who is not aware that I have another channel. Because if one looks at this channel, they're going to be like, Claudia, what are you talking about? You have less than 500 subscribers and you're not monetized yet. What are you talking about? Now, I have a monetized channel, which is a faceless channel. So I want to put that out there. So my YouTube strategy is more information um, for people with a channel that they intend to monetize. Because I have had somewhat experience for the last 2 years with the faceless channel, so I can speak on it. I've received my first YouTube payment, so I can speak on it. But yes, it's not the Uniquely Claudia's channel. Okay, so let me know how you guys, what you guys think about that strategy. Go match up those videos with your previous videos that have similar topic, and look to see what the views are. Which it could be 2-3 views. What you need to watch if you're monetized, it's the CPM that YouTube gives it. That's amazing because it's going to correlate with the inspirational title and videos that YouTube is asking you to create. Okay? Have a good one. This is Claudia. Bye bye. I'll see you in another video.